Now we have to revert the sequence. That means to turn on the LED from pin number 8 to pin number 2. Okay. For that, go to block diagram. Now instead of using this plus operator, you will use subtract operator. Okay. Now here you will write the value of x, and here you will write the value of y, and here you will get the result. Okay. Now your loop will run from 0 to 6. Okay. And first of all, you need to turn on the LED which is connected to pin number 8. Alright. So obviously you write 8 minus 0, which give you 8. Right. And for next iteration, you write 8 minus 1, which will give you 7, 8. That's it. And for third iteration, you write 8 minus 2 will give you 6. Okay. Up to so on. When it reaches to 6, then it will become 8 minus 6 equals to 2. Alright. So just write 8, connect your terminal, and here's your loop iteration. Connect your output to digital input output pin. Now close this window. Okay. Let's minimize it. Connect your Arduino. COM6. Okay. You can see your LEDs are turning on from pin number 8 to pin number 2. Okay. By using this slider, you can decrease your delay. Alright. That's it. Okay. Now let's do our next exercise.